Hello, and welcome to the ProjectWise Administrator Advanced Accreditation course on advanced workflows. In this group of lessons, we are learning how to configure advanced workflows using an Excel workbook. In the previous video, we discussed what a workflow rules engine workbook is and why it is important. We are now into the workflow rules workbook to discover how to configure menu options for specific workflows. In this video, we examine the operations types worksheet. The operations types refer to the options our end users have at different milestones. In our case, we require up to 2 options for each milestone: approve and revise reject. In our example, the document context menu in a folder with the rules engine workflow displays 2 options to change states: approve and revise reject. The operations type worksheet was configured to create this behavior. In the ID column, select a unique operation identifier for each operation. The unique identifiers will be used in the rules worksheet. Each operation type can be used with multiple workflows, so each one only needs to be defined once. Name is the label that is presented to the user in ProjectWise Explorer on the modified Document Change State menu and on the Document Workflow menu in ProjectWise 365 Work Area Connections. The prompt message will appear in the status bar of ProjectWise Explorer when the operation is selected. The module, callback, and state callback columns identify information that refer to the workflow rules engine DLL. The values will always be the same. The module will be workflow rules engine.dll. The callback will be exec default command, and the state callback will be state underbar default command. The menu order column identifies the order that the operation items will appear in the menu. In this case, approve is first, revise reject is second, and reject is third. Each operation can be enabled for one or more workflows. Each workflow must be defined in the second row, starting at column H. Each operation is enabled for that workflow by entering the word true in the relevant workflows column. If the cell is empty, then the operation does not display in ProjectWise Explorer. In this example, approve and revise have both been enabled as actions for the advanced design workflow. Reject is a valid operation, but has not been assigned to the workflow yet, so it will not appear in ProjectWise Explorer. We continue to dig into the workflow rules workbook to discover how to configure menu options for specific workflows. In this video, we examine the operations types worksheet. In the next video, we will continue our workflow rules workbook adventure by examining the rules worksheet.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.